Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Where we start the series related to the e-learning management system. So, in this is the introduction lecture related to the e-learning management system. In this lecture, I will talk about what is the e-learning and how I can assess the e-learning management system and what's the feature in e-learning management system. So first I will tell you about what is the e-learning management system. E-learning management system is actually the online platform for the student, for the teachers and also for the administrator. So later on we can also add the new role just like a parent. If the why parents? Because the parents want to see the progress of on your own child through a dashboard or through mobile application, any platform. So later on we can add the role related to the parents in we can in e-learning management system. So e-learning is actually the online platform for the student, teacher, parents and also for the administrator. So how I can assess the e-learning management system? The student, teacher, parents and the administrator can assess e-learning management system through the dashboard, which we can assess through any through the Google. If we search on the Google and then write the e-learning management system, then we can assess this one. And another thing, we can assess through the mobile application also. We This mobile application is available on the Play Store and as well as on the App Store. So right now I tell you about the mobile application, some features related to the e-learning management system. So through the e-learning management system, e-learning management system, the student take a lectures, video and audio lectures through e-learning management system. Teachers upload the video and audio lectures and student see through your own dashboard by using the username and the password, which is taking from the school or institution administrator. The second thing, uh, type of the notification, just mean any type of the notification. For example, tomorrow is a holiday, so that administrator can send the notification through this dashboard, through the dashboard. And parents, student and the teacher can see the this type of the notification on the mobile application as well as on the dashboard, just like a push notification. The third one is course management. In course management, just like the administrator and the teacher can add the courses and enroll the students in these courses. Later on, I will explain about what is the course management. And the user management, student administrator can add the students in single form and in a bulk form. The sixth one is the multi-languages capability. So this e-learning management system have a multiple language: English, Arabic, Hindi, Urdu, French, any language which easy for the students. So here is the multiple language capability also. Discussion forum related to the course concept. For example, this is the forum related to the course. For example, I will the teacher want to make a discussion of whole student of the mathematics. So the teacher make a forum and also choose the title. For example, the quiz one discussion. So all the student participate in a forum and talk about what they have a issue, by what type of the issue in a preparation, anything. So keep track the class attendance. So this here is the keep track of the class attendance. Means the teacher take an attendance through the mobile application as well as through the dashboard, and the parents can see through the mobile application by your through the mobile application your own child attendance and the progress related to the attendance. If the for example that student didn't be attend the class, so the parents receive a notification on the mobile application, your child didn't be take a class today. So the next one is the assignment. The teacher upload the assignment, upload the questions, and the students download the assignment, and after that when they complete the assignment, and after that they upload this assignment. The next one is the recording of the grades. So when the students upload the assignment, then the teacher mark the grading related to the assignment. The next one is the quiz. In here the teachers make a quiz, and after that they take a quiz online, and see the record window on the student screen, just like the student start the quiz, and after that when he fill the quiz, complete the quiz, and it's automatically marking regarding to the question. The next one is the communication tool. The communication related to the just like a same thing is just like a WhatsApp chat. The who's can chat between teacher, student, admin, and also if we want to add another role, then they also communicate with each other. If the student all type of the survey, so if administrator want to make a survey, for example, the final year students fill the survey related to the study, related to the education institute, and related to the teacher. So this type of the survey also available in e-learning management system. So the 15 one, the file management system. The file management system, student, teachers, and administrator can upload the file just like a Google Drive. The teacher upload the file on your own dashboard. It's also be capability. For example, the student want to upload the assignment on the file or your own drive, on file management system, on the in e-learning management system, and after that they can submit the assignment. This type of the means this is the this one is the drive, this one is the storage for the student, for the teacher, and also for the administrator, all in one calendar. This is the main, like for example, tomorrow is a holiday, or after tomorrow is the quiz. So everything is you see in a one calendar. You didn't be if you didn't be remember about what's the today or what's the tomorrow, so it's easily you can track about what's the tomorrow, what's the today in a calendar. So linking to the website. So e-learning management system also have a dashboard as well as have a website. The student can upload the project. For example, the final project, and you want to see the plagiarism in a project. It's also be available in e-learning management system. The 20 is the email management system. For example, the administrator want to send the email to all the school, institute, college, or a university. So the administrator only send the email, only one click, only a single click, and the email sent to all of the students. And this one is the backup management system. So all type of the backup related to the courses, everything is also be available, easily available in the e-learning management system. So this one is the only the introduction lecture of the e-learning management system. In this lecture we will only talk about what is e-learning, how can I assess the e-learning management system, and what's the feature in e-learning management system. So in a next video we will talk about one by one related to the features. Thank you.